My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just under 65,000 miles with an automatic transmission. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On our touchscreen we can get quick access to key features such as apps, smartphone integration and Bluetooth audio, our charging cost, time charging, vehicle settings and information, and GPS. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.